Hello guys, you're welcome once again over here on this platform, and today in this video I want us to explore the street of Art Center, and this same street also leads you to, you know, the Independence Square. Yeah, this street leads you to the Independence Square. So guys, join me whilst we explore around. Let's go. So hope you guys can see the law house. So that's the building over there. That's law house, and this building is also the law court complex. So that is it, and this place is also Art Center. Do you get me? So guys, I want us to cross the street over here. So this is the Law Court Complex. That's the building. So as you can see, the building also have the coat of arms at the top. So I want us to explore around this street, and as you can see, the street is really cool, and the place is very quiet, and the place is also clean also as well. And this is the security personnel room. So let's go. Keep on watching whilst we explore around. So this is the law house. So this is it. So that's the law house. So the time is now 5:49 p.m. So let's keep on watching this video. Keep on watching whilst we explore around the streets of Accra. And not to forget, today is Sunday. That is why the place is so quiet like that. So when you're passing over here, you are heading towards Tema Station, and when you pass over here, you are heading towards TUDU. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you've learned something and also explore around the streets of Ghana. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Let's go. Bye.